Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's have a little fun and draw the really cool looking distorted piggy from Roblox Piggy. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking distorted piggy. So to begin, we just gotta draw in the head. So it's just gonna be one big circle. So this one's actually very simple, but we'll have a little fun with the distorted parts. Okay, so just one big circle first, and then we're gonna come to the middle of this circle. You can make a little dot, and this is going to be the snout area. Now we're going to draw a circle coming almost all the way down. So come to the middle of this. Let's come to the side. Two little circles for the nostrils. And then now we can draw in the eyes right here. So come in an angle right here in this space. One big circle, same thing over on this side. And actually this one's gonna be all dark. This is gonna be all black right here. So just shade that in real quick. And then on this side, we're gonna draw in a couple circles. So we're gonna draw one. And then on the inside right here, just one little dot. And actually this part's gonna be black. Okay, so nice and creepy. And there's gonna be some lines right here. It's almost like it's cracking. So you just come out like this. Just draw a few of these lines first. And then we can add in, just make these a little bit thicker right here. So it looks like there's cracking a little bit more on the, closer to the eye right here. Okay, yeah, nice and cool. I mean, nice and creepy. Okay, so now for the ears. So just come out right here from the eye, come up, and let's see, we can come back all the way here. Well, it's okay, we can draw a little bit smaller then. We come to the middle of this eye right here and then go up. And then come to here. Okay, so the middle of the eye right here, make a little point up here. Come back all the way here. So here's two dots. Alright, so that's the head, and now let's draw in the body, and we'll have a little fun with this because the body is really cool looking. Okay, so we're gonna draw just a little line right here for the shoulder on this side. And then on this side right here, we'll come out a little bit more. Just come down, maybe add a little zigzag, and then just go back up first. I know it looks very strange right now. Okay, and then we gotta draw this side, and this part is actually kind of normal. So we just come down. Come to right around here, which is this point. Okay, so this little shoulder right here. Come down. And now we're gonna add in, just kind of zigzag all the way across. Make it look like it's kind of ripped. Okay, so you don't have to follow exactly, just as long as you have some of these lines. And we can actually add in a little bit more of these shapes here. Okay, if you want to add in, so it looks like it's really ripped. Okay, so let's draw in this arm, and this arm is kind of normal. We'll just come down, just keep it simple. Here's the armpit, come down. Now we're going to draw in the hands, and let's draw in the thumb right here. And then here's the back of the hand. Now we're just going to come in, well, let's draw it this way. Okay, so just come down, go back up. So that's one finger, and then the other finger, let's have a little bump here, and it's going to, and the tip's going to be right there. And we'll add in the little dark parts later. But let's draw on the other side, which is really cool. All right, so this one looks like it's like some kind of skeleton, right? So it's gonna be really skinny. So this is gonna be the elbow. So we're gonna come back out, and then we'll just close it off first. And then now for the hand, we'll extend this Just add one little section first, and now we're gonna draw in the thumbs. This part's pretty similar to this. Okay. And let's have the fingers in here. So it's gonna be one. And let's draw in one more right here. Okay, so this part's gonna be all dark, and let's draw in the details later. Let's go ahead and finish up the legs first, and then we'll come back and have a little fun with this. Okay, so we're gonna come to the middle right here. Come straight down. Actually, let's make it a little bit longer. And now on this side, come down here. I know it's kind of hard to see, all these lines are kind of going on top of each other. So just stop a little bit short here, and then we'll just round this out and then close it off. Okay, so just round, close it off. All right, and yeah, this part's gonna be all black as well. All right, so let's come back up here and we'll add in those cool little details. It looks like it's got some kind of wiring. So it's gonna loop. This part down here, just draw this. And I'm gonna shade this in black so we can see, or else these lines kind of get lost. And actually this part's gonna be black as well. Adding some of these shapes right here. This hand's gonna be black, so let me shade this in real quick. I'm gonna leave a little line here so I can see the other fingers. Okay, and then on this side, let's see. Looks like it's got, let's draw some of these little zigzags. Give me again, this will be all black. Again, I'm gonna leave a little line there so that we can see the other fingers, or else everything will just be black and you kind of lose sight of where the fingers are. All right, and then lastly, if you want to add in the little zigzags here, and this part's gonna be all black. It's gonna be a lot of shading with the Sharpie here, so let me do this real quick. So again, I'm gonna leave a little bit of line here on the bottom so that we can separate the, you know, the clothing from the boot there, from the legs. Okay, and this part here, so this whole boot's gonna be black. So that's why you want to leave a little bit of line right there. See, that way you can see the clothing, right? So you can have a little fun with it, you know, it doesn't have to be like this. Just add in, you know, just make it look menacing. We could actually come in, yeah, let's add in more of these little clothing here, which is really cool. Makes it look like it's really ripped up, and here's all these little threads. And even up here, let's add in, I don't know, just add in some details, make it look cooler. Just little bumps here and there. And add in some lines here for the clothing. Maybe even up here, let's come back up here. These little lines really helps. I might be putting a little too much, but you know, it's kind of fun. Alright, so that is it for this little distorted piggy. Hope you guys enjoyed this and also had a little fun just like I did with this little drawing. So thanks for watching and I will see you next time.